Hey everyone, it's time for a hands-on showdown. Today I'm putting the Recoil 17 from PC Specialist to the test against a powerful desktop rig. RTX 2070, i7 6700K, and 32GB RAM, and the results are jaw-dropping. Starting with Filmora. In Filmora 13, the desktop struggled initially, lagging, freezing, and taking ages to get going. But the Recoil 17? Editing was a breeze. Transitions and effects loaded instantly, making the editing process seamless. Moving on to Lightroom, the desktop choked on presets and editing tasks, even experiencing a black screen crash. Meanwhile, the Recoil 17 handled everything like a champ. No lags, no crashes, just smooth and efficient performance. Now, for the gaming showdown. The desktop, despite its firepower, struggled with Rocket League on high settings. It suffered FPS drops, hitting CPU limits, and could only manage 1920 x 1080 resolution. In contrast, the Recoil 17 rocked Rocket League at 2560 x 1600 resolution without breaking a sweat. It maintained an incredible 650-700 FPS in the lobby and 500-600 FPS during gameplay. Now diving into the Fortnite test, the results were eye-opening. On the desktop, at epic settings, the performance was dismal. Long loading times plagued the experience, sometimes skipping the lobby altogether and thrusting me directly into the game. The FPS hovered around an average of 40, stuttering and providing an unsatisfactory gameplay experience. On the Recoil 17 with the same settings, the performance was remarkably better. FPS ranged from 70 to 120, but the standout was the smoothness. Despite having a 4K resolution and recording in 4K, the gameplay was remarkably smooth. No stuttering or lag, delivering a clean gaming experience. The Recoil 17 continued to shine, offering a significantly superior Fortnite experience. Even with a higher resolution and 4K recording, it managed to deliver smoother gameplay compared to the desktop. This laptop's performance in demanding gaming scenarios is truly impressive. The Recoil 17 not only outperformed the desktop in editing software, but also delivered an exceptional gaming experience at a higher resolution. This laptop's prowess is astounding, handling both creative tasks and gaming with absolute finesse. Noise comparison. During testing, I noticed significant differences in noise levels between the two devices. The desktop provides a practically silent experience, which is a major plus in quiet or work-focused environments. As for the laptop, I noticed two distinct noise levels. During regular use, the fans are nearly inaudible, ensuring an undisturbed working experience. However, during gaming sessions, the fans become quite noticeable, affecting the overall audio experience. User experience and ergonomics. Ergonomics play a crucial role in user comfort. The desktop keyboard offers better comfort, but I must admit, the sound of the laptop keys is a delight for me. The feeling while typing is entirely new, as I'm not accustomed to using laptops regularly. Now, let's talk about the speed demons inside these machines, the SSDs. Both the desktop and the laptop harness the power of SSDs, but the speed discrepancy is quite remarkable. During my tests, I transferred the same file to an external SSD with a speed capability of 1,000 megabytes per second. On the desktop, the transfer speed peaked at around 40 megabytes per second. It was functional, but the speed left much to be desired. Now, brace yourselves for the laptop's SSD performance. The same file from the same external SSD, but this time connected to the Recoil 17. Hold on to your hats because we're talking speeds of around 800 megabytes per second. It was practically instantaneous. I barely had time to hit record, and the transfer was already completed. The SSD inside this laptop is a speed demon, showcasing its prowess in handling data at breakneck speeds. This stark difference not only impacts file transfer times, but can significantly affect the overall system responsiveness and load times for applications. It's like comparing a race car to a regular sedan, and in this case, the laptop is the undeniable speed champion. Screen quality. Screen quality is paramount in the user experience. On the laptop, the differences are striking. The laptop boasts a 240 Hz refresh rate compared to the desktop's 144 Hz, providing smoother visuals. Colors appear much more vivid and pronounced on the laptop without any adjustments. I appreciate the ability to adjust brightness on the laptop based on environmental conditions, enhancing the viewing experience. Portability. Considering its 17-inch size, I find the Recoil 17 to be quite substantial. However, having such a powerhouse on the go feels incredible. Its size doesn't compromise its portability, and it's like carrying a beastly machine with you wherever you go. Battery life. The battery lasts approximately 2 to 2.5 hours with regular usage, extending slightly to 2.5 hours during gaming sessions. However, this depends on factors such as the refresh rate used, screen brightness, and other settings. Power adapter. The charger itself seems quite substantial to me, almost on the larger side. It's sizable, almost imposing, but it's worth it. It ensures the laptop stays powered, providing the necessary juice to fuel this powerhouse of a machine. And to wrap it up, in the next video, I'll be showcasing the backpack I use to carry this portable powerhouse. You see, this laptop, this portable jet, as I like to call it, doesn't quite fit into any regular backpack. It's not the kind of laptop you can just slip into any bag and go. However, I'll be unveiling a backpack that accommodates this technological marvel perfectly. It's an ideal choice for high schoolers, college students, and well, anyone needing a reliable and spacious backpack to carry this impressive machine.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give a like. You have all the links in the description.